Okay, do a video to show you how to change your key fob battery on a Land Rover Discovery 4. There are some other videos on YouTube on this one. But you get an error message comes up on the dash that says key fob battery required or something to that effect. So we've just done another video on how to reprogram the key, so we thought we'd do this one just while we were there. So you've got to press the top in there. Okay, depends how good your fingers are. And then it causes this bit here, no, not that bit. Oh. I'm going to get a screwdriver on it. So, I did this a second ago and it went lovely. Maybe there we go. So you can see, if I just show you what happens, when you press this bit in, it lowers that, which releases this little. But you don't want the textured bit, you want the smooth bit where the keys are angled, comes out, and that opens like a little door. Now keep it this way up with the Land Rover symbol down, and then you can pull this little tray out of here. Now obviously the reason I've got it up that way is because if you look at this the other way up, it forms a tray. If you look at this tray, some people say don't touch these batteries, but if you look, there's a little plus there. Can you see that on the actual plastic? And obviously that plus needs to correspond to the plus on the battery there. So the pluses and the pluses need to be together, and that. So we've got another battery here. Put that one to the side. Now some people say don't touch the battery, but unless your hands are really greasy, I think you'll be fine. And then slip that back in there again, that way up. And it's actually got a little, can you see that little, there's a little block at the bottom of the aperture here. And that corresponds to that little, sort of in the slide, there's a little groove in the bottom of the slide there. So you can't put it in the wrong way up. So when you go to put it in, the slide, that goes there, that goes in, this should click shut. There we go, and just check it works. Unlock, lock. So there you go, that's how to change your key fob battery in a Land Rover Discovery 4 LR4.